Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Betty, owner and creator of Betty's Custom Design here on YouTube, Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram. So last night I tried to do a live, but the weather just kept knocking me offline. So I figured I will, oh, and it sounds like it's about to get bad again. So I'm gonna try and do this real quick. But I had showed these 4 new Matchbox minis that are now in my Etsy store. And I was going to show you how to put them together. So let me go through them again real quick. This one is Morris Blues. And it is just a bunch of the blue William Morris images. A little bit. If you can turn it down just a little bit. Sorry guys, that's my husband. He is home. So this is the Morris Blues kit, and I use my Matchboxes. I actually use the little images on the inside. I use them whenever I'm doing like clusters and stuff, and then I use my Matchboxes. I have a bunch of them at work, and I keep like paper clips and binder clips and all that kind of stuff in them. It just looks better than the little plastic things. So. And this is the Morris Reds. I should have called it Morris Orange because it's mostly orange, but I called it Morris Reds, I believe. And then we have this one. This is from Fall and Winter, 1896, 1897. This is from True Scans of this catalog here. So there's the outside. And then these are the images. And I love them. Look at these guys. This is like the men's suits, little girls' clothing. So, I mean, it's just all sorts of different pages out of that catalog from 1896 and 1897. And then we have Heidi. And I believe this is from it may be 1897. I can't really read the date on it too well. Let's see if it'll focus. Let's say 1897, something like that. I don't know. I can't see it. So what I've done is it is the book cover, and then it is the images in the book. And then there's like 3 little blank cards. Look how cute these are though. Just absolutely adorable. So that is the Heidi kit put together. Now let me show you how the digitals come. I love these. Love, 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 love these. I need to design a like a little cabinet type thing that they can set in, because I think I have probably 10 of those Matchbox minis now. So this is the Morris Blues. This is your box. This is your cover, and these are some of your inside cards. And then these are the other inside cards. So it is a 2-page kit. So this is the Morris Blues. This one here is I called it Morris Reds. Like I said, I should have called it Morris Oranges or something. But there's the Morris Reds. I love this. Look at all these beautiful images. This is your Heidi kit. It's just absolutely stunning to me. I love these images. And these are the 3 blank pages I told you about, and then these are all the other images that are included. Ooh, don't hear that thunder? And then this is that catalog from 1896, 1897. Okay, and so what I've done is I've already cut the, I didn't cut out more of the insides because you guys know how to do that. So this one is the catalog one, and I called it New Silks because that's what was on the thing. So when you get it cut out, it's going to look like this. Now you can use a scoreboard, but I never do. I just fold it right here on these lines. Let me see, what did I do with my bone folder? Oh, there it is right here, my good one. So you just fold it on those lines, and then we're going to fold it right here again. I'm just trying to get it as even as I can. And then fold it right there. So these are really easy to put together. I started creating these for my grandchildren actually. And then they were just so cute. I had to put them in my store. And so I want to eventually have, you know, a whole collection of these little Matchbox minis. Okay, so this is the box cover. So once you get everything folded, then you're just going to get your glue and glue this one piece right here. Put that back in so it don't get messed up. And then you just simply take and fold it over on itself like that. And that is your Matchbox cover. And then after you get it put together, if you want to ink it, you can ink it, you know, do whatever you want to do. Okay, so on to this. Now, this is how you're going to cut it out. Then you're going to, and only do it either on this side or this side. Don't do both. But you just want to cut from right here all the way down to that fold line there. And so I just always do this side, you know, the long side, so I don't forget. And then just do it like that. And so now we're going to do the same basic thing. We're going to fold on all of these lines. And so just fold everything down. And then fold this down. So you see, it's not hard at all to put together. My 7-year-old granddaughter, she actually put some of these together. She likes these little kits like this. Because she feels like she's crafting, and she is. You know, sometimes we all need a little bit of help to get started. So just folding that down. And I've got it to where, just about where it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. So everything is now folded. So now what I do is I lay it out like this. I'm just going to take these two pieces here on one end, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on them. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here. And then I just take and fold this over. I move these little flouts out of the way. I just fold that over and then fold it in, just like that. And then just kind of make sure that the glue stays. Just like that. And so I'm doing the same thing on this end. And then just going to do it like that and fold that in. You can see? And then I just take and put a little bit of glue on this flap here. And fold that in. And then do the same thing right here. And fold that in. And there we have our inside box. It's just that easy. And so then you just take and it just goes right in there. Oops, my glue's not sticking too good yet. I probably should wait, but I wanted to show you guys. And then it just slides in like that. And there you go. And then you can take your little label and just put it right there on the side. you know, you can ink it and that kind of stuff, but for the video I figured I wouldn't. So we'll do one more together, and then I'm sure you guys will know how to do them from there. So let's do the hiding. So again, it is simply just folding on these lines. And fold on this line. And to me, this is the hardest part, is just the folding. You know, and you can use your scoreboard, just score right on those lines. But that makes too much sense, so I don't do it. Yeah. So you see, I mean, it really is not hard. It's just taking the time to get, you know, get it done right, and because you want it to be straight as possible, so that your inside box will fit into it, because if you get it messed up, then your inside box is not going to fit. Okay, so there's our box. Now let's just do the same thing here. Again, I cut like this right here, and I'm just going to cut to right there, turn it around, cut, and then cut to there, and then just start folding. And you can, you know, however, whatever order you want to fold it in, that is perfectly fine. There's no rule on you have to fold this side first and then this side. There's nothing like that. It's just however you want to do it. And so one more end here. Okay, and see, it's almost done. Now we just need to fold our flaps. Just fold them in pretty good, because that'll make it easier when you go to put it together. Okay, and so now I'm just going to take, and I like to fold these long flaps out of the way a little bit, because they tend to get in my way. And so I'm just going to take my glue, put a little bit here, and then a little bit here, or a lot of it in my situation. You guys know how I am with glue. And just fold that over. See how easy this is? This would be a great project to put together, you know, if you're having like I do, I'm going to do one for my Sunday school class. I'm going to design one based off of what we've studied for the quarter, and then put some of like the stuff from each week to be the cards down in it. So that's what I'm going to do. And just fold that over. And you could use your double-sided tape for this. I don't know that I would use a glue stick, especially, I mean, you could probably use a glue stick on the ends on this little box, but I would not use a glue stick on the cover, because you're going to be putting strain on that cover whenever you take it in and out. And so there is our box for our Heidi Matchbox minis. And then this just goes right in there like this. And there you go. And I think I cut out the thing for the Heidi. I guess I didn't, so I'm not going to put it on it. But that's it, guys. That's how easy they are to put together. I will link these in the description box below. So make sure you go over and check out all of the little Matchbox minis that I have. And stick around. And if you have a certain style or certain type that you would like to see, let me know, and I'll be happy to see about if it's something that I can design. But that's it, guys. So Thank you so much for watching, and run over and get yours. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye, guys.